you, Jan. Appreciate the intro. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As Jan said, my name is David. I'm the co-CEO at Solar Materials. Solar Materials is the recycling company for the solar industry, and we will become the world's largest silver mine on Earth. Therefore, you need to know that 15% of the silver production worldwide ended in the solar industry. And that is creating a huge opportunity with 100 billion of value which we want to recycle. And our value proposition is that we're turning this waste stream into profit without relying on the recovery, without relying on the recycling fee. Some quick facts about our company. We are founded in 2021. 60 employees so far, and with the capital we have raised today, we were able to build up 3 lines. We started with a demonstrator line, and then the second was a semi-automated pilot line. And currently we are operating a full industrial line with a capacity of 14,000 tons per year. We are working there in a 3-shift system under full capacity at the moment. And the business model we are in is a 2-sided business model. First of all, we are generating revenues with so-called recycling fee/gate fee, where our partners are paying us to recycle their waste. But the second and much more important revenue stream are our off-take agreements with the industry. We have a 98% recycling rate, and we are selling all the recovered raw materials into the industry, and that is really generating our money. And with our technology, we are the only ones who can do that on a scalable base, and doing that in full automated mode already on TRL level 9. And that is why we are executing this growth roadmap at the moment, where we want to become IPO ready in the next coming years. At the moment, we are focusing and closing our Series B round, part 2. So actually, we are focused on the second closing of our current round, which is 20 million plus. And for next year, we are focusing on raising additional financial power, which will be a split between equity and debt financing. So we are raising there 70 million for the upcoming year. And all that under the clear target that we want to become IPO ready soon. If that sounds interesting for you, if that's an opportunity you want to take over, let's get in contact. Let's turn solar waste into profit together. Thank you.